Before we begin, I would like to preface today's video topic. The pointers I'll be touching on will be related with the latest Sony camera releases. So I'm pitting the AX100E against the new A64000 lineup with the cons. Please enjoy the video and stick to the end for links to these B-roll clips.
Hi guys, recently I'm trying to sell my camcorder. This camcorder is actually the AX100E and it's really good as it can shoot 4K. But unfortunately, once I put it online, nobody really wants to buy a camcorder. So today's topic is, are camcorders obsolete? For all those who are up to date with Sony gears, you guys know that Sony just released the A6600 and A6100. So this camcorder isn't really a very good competition compared with those lighter DSLRs or mirrorless. So today I'll be covering 4 reasons why I think camcorders are getting obsolete. Number 1, overheating. The earlier Sony Alpha systems actually doesn't really allow long 4K recording. A lot of them overheat in probably just about 20 minutes, while the older camcorders are able to record longer than even a few hours. With Sony solving the overheating issue in the A6000 series, there isn't a very strong selling point for the camcorders, as usually camcorders are able to record a much longer time. Number 2, battery life. The earlier Sony Alpha system uses these NPF 50 batteries, which last probably only about an hour or even less. Number 2, battery life. The earlier Sony Alpha series uses these NPF 50 batteries, which doesn't last really long. It probably only records about 40 minutes to 1 hour depending on what kind of format you're recording. So one of the reasons why the camcorders stand out in the earlier markets was because the battery lasts much longer. One of these batteries could easily last about 3 to 4 hours without even recharging. Number 3, size. As you guys can see, a camcorder is rather a bulky gadget to carry around. Now even with my screen folded, comparing with my full frame cameras, my full frame cameras tends to be a bit lighter. So there's little reasons why you will carry a camcorder, as a camcorder doesn't really have very good photography abilities. Number 4, lens options. Now a camcorder has only a fixed lens attached to it, while a DSLR or mirrorless has changeable lenses. So if you need something with a shallow depth of field or even a longer focal range, a camcorder could not be able to offer you that. I hope you guys like this video where I cover reasons why I think the camcorder is getting obsolete. Please leave down in the comments below if you think what I mentioned today is actually valid and what other things you think makes the camcorder obsolete. So please like and subscribe for all those who are new out there, where I cover different camera gears, gadgets and photography tips. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video.